Okay, I clicked this Cloud Shell, selected PowerShell, and getting started. No storage account required means that all files will be deleted. I selected the subscription and I press apply. So if the session ends, everything is going to terminate. Okay, I'm in PowerShell and I'm running these commands. Rem and git clone. Okay, this is a folder, MS AI Vision. Okay, now I'm pressing these commands. Okay, these are this process file training classifier py. Now I'm installing SDK. Okay, it has installed various files. Now we are in a lab environment. We can upgrade pip. Okay, now let's put this. Okay, this is some kind of a coding environment. Now I need to transfer these parameters from here. Okay, I have transferred training endpoint from here. I have transferred training key. I believe it's this. And I have transferred project ID, which is this. Now I'm pressing Ctrl S to save, and I'm pressing Ctrl Q to quit. Now we can run this Python file. Okay, code Python file. There is some code here. What it does: imports dot environment training. It loads these parameters which we configured, credentials, and it does train model. Okay. It also has upload images and it has train model. Okay, we should have looked at it. Now Ctrl Q. Yes, exit. And we are running it. Uploading images, banana, orange, apple, training. Training continues. It was 20-something minutes on portal. Now we are doing it from command line. Well, training is still in progress. We can now see that some new images were added. Now there are 17 images instead of 15. Meanwhile, training continues. Next, we will need to publish Classifier and then install these libraries. Okay, model completed training. Looks like it has taken it a bit more time than on portal. Okay, now we go to performance page. This is, okay, image count 17 now. And yes, it's iteration 2. Now we need to publish this iteration. Now I call the model fruit classifier and prediction resource selected. This was a resource selected in the first part of the lesson. Publish. Okay, let's now click this project gallery page. Loading your projects, and we have classify fruits. Some image was added to the project. Now we can go to the project settings. We see our prediction resource. Here we can find key, endpoint, and resource ID. Now we return to the PowerShell and we can run these commands. Okay, these are what? This is the files. So we can see test classifier and test images. These are the test images that were downloaded. Now let's install these libraries and requirements for them. Okay, things were installed. Now we change environment. Okay, code environment. Okay, I have placed these parameters: project ID, prediction key, prediction endpoint, model name, fruit classifier, Control S, Control Q. Okay, we're here. Okay. So now we can review code which is going to test it. Okay, loading parameters, listing test images, and prediction client, classify image, project ID, project name, image data. This was asked on exam questions. Okay, we're predicting, then we're checking probability, and then we print that image is predicted with such a probability. Okay, this is the test code. Okay, Control Q. Okay, now let's run this code. Image 2 banana, image 1 apple, image 3 orange, 100%. Okay, not sure if that is correct, but that's what the test did for us under error. Okay, image 1 apple, image 2 banana, image 3 orange. Image 2 banana, image 1 apple, image 3 orange. Looks like correct. Okay, this is the home page of Azure portal. Here we can see the resources that were created. View all recent resources. So image classified by the prediction. Okay, I believe to clear resources we need to do this, and we need to press clear. Maybe we should first export them. What was? exported. This was just the list of resources. This is JSON view of image classifier. There are various parameters, and this is prediction view, and we can see it as JSON as well. Okay, let's select and clear them. No resources to display. Okay, what's here? Files remain. Yes, files remain. Okay. PowerShell disconnected.